Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to remove any connected mailboxes from Yahoo Mail. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy and how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, we need to open the app, and here on the top left we have a three lines button. Let's tap on that because this opens the main panel, and here the settings button have to open the settings. Let's tap on it, and the second settings will manage the mailboxes. Let's open that, and here we can see any added mailbox for any profile. For the first profile I have added a mailbox. We can remove it by tapping on the X on the right side. Let's try it out. And now it asks if I really wanna remove it. Let's tap on OK. Alright, that's pretty much for this video guys. See you in the next one. Aloha!